Are you looking for a cute summer top to make from a men's shirt? Hello, welcome back to Upcycle Clothing Designer. My name is Sunju. In this channel, I transform men's shirt, denim jeans, and plain old t-shirt into brand new clothes. Follow me to see tons of easy ways to upcycle clothing. Today, we're going to transform an old men's shirt into this cute off-shoulder top. From tiny poof sleeve to Bustier silhouette, it's a perfect top to wear with the ruffle shorts or high-waist mini skirt from my previous tutorial. I'm super excited to share the sewing tutorial with you. Let's get started! For this off-shoulder top from men's shirt tutorial, start by deconstructing the original dress shirt. Use scissors to detach the collar and neckband, and cut along the arm seam to detach both sleeves. Cut along the shoulder seams and also across the back yoke. Cut both side seams to detach the front from the back of the men's shirt. Lastly, cut off the button and buttonhole placket. To make the bust pieces, use the back piece of the original men's shirt. Measure 5 inches down the side, 9.5 inches across the top, 12.5 inches across the bottom, and 3 inches up on the opposite side. Draw a smooth curved line to make the armhole opening. Cut along the line. Copy the bust piece pattern to make 4 separate pieces in total. To make the center bustier pieces, cut a 3 inches by 6 inch piece. Copy the bustier piece to make the other front center piece. To make the side bustier pieces, cut a 4.5 inch by 6 inch piece. Make one side ½ inch taller than the other side so that the side bustier pieces have a slight curve. Copy the bustier piece to make the other front side piece. To make the center back piece, fold the back piece on the original men's shirt in half lengthwise. Measure 3.25 inch away from the folded line, 8 inch along the folded line, and 4 inch away from the folded line on the opposite side. Draw a line to connect the points and cut. To make the side back pieces, cut a 4 inch by 8 inch piece. Make one side ½ inch taller than the other side so that the side back pieces have a slight curve. Copy the back piece to make the other side piece. To complete the back piece of the top, attach the side back pieces to the center back piece with the right sides facing together. Pin to secure and edge top stitch. Double fold the hemline and 1/4 inch top stitch the bottom. To complete the bustier pieces, attach one center bustier piece to one side bustier piece. To complete the front piece of the top, add shirring to the 4 bust pieces. Use a white stitch width to stitch 6 inches away from the center line along the bottom edge. Gently pull on the back thread to gather the fabric to a width of 3.5 inch and create bunching around the bust. Attach one bust piece to one bustier piece with the right side facing together. To add lining to the bust, use the 2 remaining bust pieces. Join the lining inside the bust on both sides of the front chest. To complete the top bodice, attach the front piece to the back piece with the right sides facing together. Top stitch both side seams to join the top pieces. To add the button front closure, use the button and buttonhole placket from the original men's shirt. Measure 10 inch along both plackets and cut. Attach the button placket to one side and the buttonhole placket to the other side of the center front piece. To make the mini puff sleeves, use the original sleeves from the dress shirt. Mark 4 inch away from the edge on the top of the sleeve and 3 inches away from the cut edge on the bottom of the sleeve. Draw a diagonal line and cut. To add elastic to the mini puff sleeves, cut 4 separate 10 inch long pieces of 1/4 inch elastic band. Top stitch the ends of 2 elastic bands to make 2 loops. Pin the elastic loop to the inside of the sleeve opening. Stretch the elastic band and top stitch around the sleeve opening. Fold the fabric over the band and top stitch to cover the elastic. Add an elastic loop to the sleeve opening of the other sleeve. For the armhole opening, measure 3 inches to mark the underarm seam. Pin the elastic to the mark on the inside of the armhole opening. Stretch the elastic band around the armhole opening to reach the 3 inch mark. As a result, the underarm seam will not have elastic. Pin to secure and top stitch the elastic band in place. Fold the fabric over the band and top stitch to cover the elastic. To complete the off-shoulder top, attach the mini poop sleeves to the top bodice. Join the sleeves along the underarm seam. Pin to secure and top stitch to finish this off-shoulder top from men's shirt.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope this off-shoulder top from men's shirt inspires you to create more upcycle clothing.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your cute off-shoulder top with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. What project do you want to see next? Share your ideas in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!